Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download OpenSSL for VPS certificate tooling, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official OpenSSL website. Look for the download section on the home page. Choose the version compatible with your server's operating system. If you are using a Linux-based system, you may not need to download OpenSSL manually, as it often comes pre-installed. To check if OpenSSL is installed, open your terminal and type OpenSSL version. If the command returns a version number, OpenSSL is already installed. In case it is not installed, for Ubuntu, type sudo apt update to update your package list. Then, type sudo apt install OpenSSL to begin the installation process. For CentOS or RHEL users, first, type sudo yum update. Then, type sudo yum install OpenSSL to install OpenSSL. For Windows users, navigate to the OpenSSL binaries section. Select the appropriate executable file for your version of Windows. Download the installer and run it. Follow the installation prompts to complete the setup. After installation, verify it by opening Command Prompt. Type OpenSSL version and check if the output displays the correct version number. For macOS users, install Homebrew if you haven't already. Open terminal and type /bin/bash $, curl fsssl https://raw.github-content.com/homebrew/install/head/install.sh. Once Homebrew is installed, run brew install OpenSSL to install OpenSSL. To ensure it's correctly installed, type OpenSSL version in the terminal after the installation completes. Now that OpenSSL is installed, you can proceed to configure it for your VPS. Open the configuration file, usually located in /etc/ssl/openssl.cnf for Linux. Edit the configuration as necessary for your certificate requirements. Once configured, you can start creating your certificates. Utilize commands like OpenSSL req to generate certificate signing requests. Remember to save your generated keys securely and manage your SSL certificates properly. You are now ready to use OpenSSL as a powerful tool for managing your VPS certificates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.